In this video, we're going to walk you through how to easily connect Folk CRM with PayPal. If you're wondering how to streamline your workflow and integrate these two powerful tools, you're in the right place. Stick around until the end to discover an exclusive bonus that'll take your CRM game to the next level. First things first, Folk CRM is a powerful tool designed to help you manage customer relationships with ease. It's perfect for freelancers, small businesses, and even larger teams. Connecting Folk CRM with PayPal is a great way to manage payments, track transactions, and keep all of your customer data in one place. If you're new to Folk CRM, it's a user-friendly platform that allows you to store contact details, track conversations, and automate workflows, all in a simple interface that's easy to navigate. Now, let's get into how to connect Folk CRM with PayPal. It's an easy process that'll save you time and keep everything organized. The first step is to log into your Folk CRM account. If you don't have one yet, no worries. You can sign up for free using the link in the description below. Once you're logged in, go to your settings and look for the Integrations section. Here, you'll find a list of all the services you can connect with Folk CRM, including PayPal. Click on the PayPal option to start the integration process. You'll be prompted to log into your PayPal account, and once you're logged in, give Folk CRM permission to access your PayPal data. This allows Folk CRM to sync your transactions, billing information, and customer payments directly into your CRM. Once connected, you can easily track incoming payments, create custom invoices, and add notes to customer profiles about their transactions. This is especially useful if you're managing multiple clients or running an e-commerce business. By having PayPal data directly in Folk CRM, you can better understand customer purchasing behavior and improve your sales strategy. You'll also find that Folk CRM allows you to automate reminders for follow-ups based on PayPal transactions. For example, you can set reminders to reach out to clients after a payment is made, ensuring that you stay on top of all customer interactions without missing a beat. This integration can save you hours of manual tracking and data entry. As a digital marketing professional, I can tell you that integrating these two platforms will make your life so much easier. The connection is seamless, and the real power comes when you start using both tools to track your leads and clients more effectively. I also want to remind you that Folk CRM offers a 100% free version with exclusive bonuses when you sign up through the link below. This means you can start using this powerful CRM without paying a dime, making it the perfect solution if you're looking to streamline your business operations without breaking the bank. To recap, connecting Folk CRM with PayPal is simple, and it's a game changer when it comes to managing customer relationships and payments. Once connected, you'll have all of your customer transaction data right at your fingertips, making it easy to automate follow-ups, track payments, and gain insights into customer behavior. Don't forget, if you're looking to get started with Folk CRM, make sure to sign up using the link in the description below. You'll get an exclusive extended free trial, which means you can fully explore all the features and integrations without any risk. This is your chance to level up your CRM game with a tool that's designed for efficiency and growth. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out the description for that exclusive offer and get started today.